In this part, we will see who are our competitor, how their brand and logo looks like. I will also show you how to find your competitors easily. Let's get started. We will start by making a subsection named competitors. We have to recall any competitor's website based on our past experience or Google search. In this case, I remembered Coupon Dunia. And I will take a screenshot of their logo and website. Or Milanote has a feature that helps us to generate a thumbnail, heading, and a small description of the website while we paste the link on Milanote, which I will show you later in this video. Now I will use a Chrome extension called SimilarWeb, which helps me to find some interesting data about any website and also gives me the list of similar websites. These similar websites are our competitors. Here we can see our competitors' websites. One by one we will take screenshot of competitor's logo and paste URL in Milanote. I think we have collected enough data about our competitors. Now let's move on to the next part.